All right, let's do a little review on lesson 8%. I'm going to do the first problem at the top of our page here, and I'm going to zoom in so we get a good look. It says consumer math. So, consumers are people who buy things, and we are all consumers. We all buy things, whether it's small things or big things. But it says here in this question, the sales tax in the town where Amanda lives is 7%. She's quite lucky, actually, because I believe in El Cajon, our sales tax is closer to 10%. Amanda paid $35 in sales tax on a new stereo. What was the price of the stereo? Now, there's a few things we could do to figure this out, but the best way I like to do this is with the butterfly method. So hopefully you guys remember the butterfly method. So we're going to start off with $35. This is how much she paid. And that is the amount she paid in sales tax. So sales tax is 7%. That's out of 100% of the price of whatever she's buying. So she paid $35. What is the cost of the stereo? We'll call that Y. So let me talk about how we set this up again really fast. She paid $35 in sales tax. That was not the cost of the stereo. That's how much she paid in sales tax. And sales tax is charged to consumers to pay for lots of things, whether it's, you know, police departments, fire departments, fixing roads, libraries, all sorts of things can be built and paid for by sales tax. So sales tax is important. She paid $35, which is 7%, the amount of sales tax that is charged in her area. So we're writing this as equivalent ratios or percents here. $35 equals 7% out of 100. What does that equal? Then what is the full amount of the stereo cost? That would be 100% cost of the stereo would be Y. So how do I turn a 35 into a 7? Or rather, since I need to go the other way, how do I turn a 7 into a 35? Well, I could do that by multiplying times 5. 5 times 7 is 35, which means I also have to multiply the bottom number by 5 as well. 100 times 5 is 500. So the cost of her stereo was $500. Now I could use the butterfly method as well, which is the original method I was going to use. So let's do that too. We have $35 over Y equals 7% of 100. And if I cross multiply, 35 times 100 is 3,500. And if I cross multiply Y times 7, I get 7Y. And then I would take this 3,500 equals 7Y, the two products, divide by 7 on both sides to get that Y all by itself. And 3,500 divided by 7. Well, 35 divided by 7 is 5, and then we have the two zeros at the end. So Y equals 500, and we got the answer that way too. Butterfly method will work just fine. I'm going to circle this in red, actually. That's what I meant to do instead of green. Let's back up. And for the answer, the price of the stereo, $500. She bought a nice stereo. All right. Thank you for watching.